Hi everyone, welcome back. So we are reacting to another Rodrigue Millian song called Sentiment pour eux, and I have got the translation up. I will look at it after. It is Google Translate, so hopefully it does it justice. But I think it basically means feelings for you. So sentiment pour vous, if that's how you say it in French. But obviously this is Haitian Creole, and this was requested by Noah. So thank you so much, Noah, for your request. And let's get into it.
Sentiment normalement, serein, non simplement. On ne va jamais tout le monde pour vivre éternellement. Comportement justement, ça fait me faire compliment. Ça c'est un commencement qui fait moi belle vraiment. Ou tellement qu'en fait moi v'lais ouais journellement. Vini amoureusement pour me plaisir doucement. En bas pio cachiment, moi qui rend premièrement. Ou t'es saut enterrement, ou t'es chic sérieusement. Attachement brusquement, moralement, physiquement. Ma douce ça uniquement, puis grand fait ses mots. Même si m'pas bon diamant fort, ouais ça sincèrement. La vive amicalement, pas bien découragement. Prochainement, dis maman, m'a dit ça publiquement. Sous pas de raisonnement, m'a shooter logiquement. Dernier avertissement pour tout le monde formellement. Moi-même personnellement, à bientôt pareillement. Tombolo. Aïe aïe aïe. Les gens parti quitter pays ou bien loin. La vie a malmené ou vle tuer tout. C'est travail pour travail dans le pays ou pour arriver en bagaille. Séparé sous portail chita à bras les naïs. Société va connaître, toute vie va venir remettre. Ou témoigner un jour ça passe dans la vie. Et yon moun parti qui te paye ou bien loin. Bien loin ou aller travailler puis ou tomber New York. 6 heures faut qu'on lever, sans yon faut qu'on laver. Ou mettre tout fatigué, faut qu'on lever ou aller. Ou chercher yon monnaie pour entrer dans tout train. Depuis ou prendre un pétrin presque tous les matins. Oh non non non. Moi senti que moi pas capable encore. Comme moi mettre petit, faut que mal Haïti. Oh non 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 chérie. Comme moi mettre petit, faut que mal Haïti. La vie dure, la vie a dû. On mettra dit, c'est pour dire. Moi t'as remis qu'on est date et jour m'a mourir. Pour me capable de jouer la vie, mais moi déjà consenti. Soleil dans le ciel, boulem, la pluie pas jamais tomber. Tout le monde courir caché, jeune garçon enragé. Oh mon Dieu, pardonnez-moi pour pécher. jeune fille même pour nous pain quotidien. Garçon à bail menti, yo toujours à partir. Sans barrer mais pour pas jambler pour l'autre monde. Chaque look sorti sous tête, sous épaule pour le tomber. Oh mon Dieu, pardonnez-moi pour péché. Effacer, si des fois qui ne qu'à moi. Bail menti, c'est métier me fait chaque jour. Courtoisie, c'est la richesse la caille moi. Mon amour, me remet ou toujours. Effacer, si des fois qui n'a qu'à moi. Bail menti, c'est métier me fait chaque jour. Courtoisie, c'est la richesse la caille moi. Mon amour, moi remet ou toujours. Moi t'as remis suspend by ménage, moi menti. Gros menti, ti menti. La fait trop jalousie, lui sans les poules mourir. Chanson c'est distraction, c'est toute conversation. La genre et les pétioles, tout le monde respecte le monde. Oh mon Dieu, pardonnez pour péché. Effacer, si des fois qu'il n'a qu'à moi. Bail menti, c'est métier me fait chaque jour. Courtoisie, c'est la richesse la caille moi. Mon amour, moi remet ou toujours. Mes belles moments qui gagnent, solo ouais de mon remet. Yo fait un petit fâché, yo vin réconcilier. Bouche dans bouche mais dans main, yo oublié bien yak mal, y'a raconté. Ça moun kon dit sou yo. Yo oublié bien yak mal, yo vin un destin fatal. Y'a raconté. Ça moun kon dit sou yo. Comme on a fait dormir. La nuit, les chats sont gris. 2 mois pour qu'on passe. Quand commence à monter. 9 mois fin écoulé. Si moun pral crier. Nèg entré dans marron. Sans toi ou sans raison. C'est pas fortune. C'est fortune bon moment. Nèg entré dans marron. Sans toi ou sans raison. C'est pas fortune. C'est fortune bon moment. Mini sonne, moi v'lais sortir. Je dis le ça pas fait pour moi. C'est les petits moun couche doucement. C'est les grands moun a réfléchi. Mini sonne, moi v'lais sortir. Toute porte fermée, lumière mourir. C'est les vagabonds dans la rue. C'est les volets à casser cailles. Mini sonne, moi v'lais sortir. C'est les toutes mauvaises idées. C'est le grand bois qui met ta fou. Qui tabac a fait connaissance. Mini sonne, moi v'lais sortir. C'est le grand vent à pévoter. C'est le loup-garou sous d'Ocaria. Sous ces petits voisinages. Mini sonne, moi v'lais sortir. Moi ces garçons fuck moi qu'on est. Mini sonne, moi v'lais sortir. Jodi a m'v'lais ouais mettre mini. Mini sonne, moi v'lais sortir. Yo dis m'la ça pas fait pour moi. C'est les petits moun couchés doucement. C'est les grands moun a réfléchi. Mini sonne, moi v'lais sortir. Toute porte fermée, lumière mourir. C'est les vagabonds dans la rue. C'est les volets à casser caille. Mini sonne, moi v'lais sortir. Moi ces garçons faut que moi connais. Mini sonne, moi v'lais sortir. Je dis à m'v'lais ouais mettre mini. Je ne peux détacher mes yeux de ton visage et ne peux m'empêcher de penser à demain qui s'annonçait déjà comme un mauvais orage qui laboure à nourrir à l'eau de mon chagrin. J'ai le cœur déchiré et j'ai mal de comprendre. Je ne sais comment faire pour te dire adieu. Les larmes au coin des yeux, je me force à sourire. Un sourire forcé qui ne trompe pas. Trop lâche pour mourir, bien qu'effrayé de vivre. Je compte sur l'oubli pour trouver le repos. Il faudra m'habituer à des années à suivre, à des nuits sans ta voix, à des jours sans ta peau. C'est fini, 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 fini. C'est fini, 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 fini. Dans New York, m'bak travail, m'bak école pour m'sortir. Ou nous jours samedi soir, ça passe. Ma patrie, caïvon qui n'a tué, yo tué, me prend coup de poing, yo crasé, yo branché moi, n'est yo courir, yo coup de poing, ça passe.
Yeah, I don't think that's part of the song. Although that was sounding nice, to be fair. I kind of like the end of that. But yeah, I don't think that's part of the song. Unless it is, then I don't know. But wow, what a song. And the thing is, like, obviously I don't really understand what he's saying. There's some words that I can understand in French and stuff. And I feel like the title's called, like, My Feelings for You, isn't it? Like, Sentiment pour vous, which is, like, my feelings for you, right? And then there's a lot about here, like how one thing that I was understanding is like he went to work in New York, so this idea of like, you know, maybe missing someone and like being away from them. But the whole song is so long, and it's just like, yeah, there's so much variation, and this is when I wish I could understand, because I feel like the lyrics are would take me on a journey of like obviously understanding and meaning, but actually not being able to understand what they're saying. The instrumental in itself takes me on that journey. Like it starts with the electrical guitar, the violin, the trumpet, then the drum patterns in there, the bass gets heavier, and then the chord changes that go like down and like this. Honestly, all of it was just insane. It was so subtle. And what I like about it is that because it was such a long song, I mean, it was about 10 minutes actually. It wasn't quite 13 because of that little bit at the end, but 10-minute long song, and it's like it's a proper composition, you know, of ups and downs of emotions and different sprinkles of different things, like the flute and how it goes quiet and then comes back in, and then there's bits where the instrumental's really bare and there's not much going on, and then his vocals come in. It's just a really beautiful piece of music, like regardless of being able to understand. Obviously the lyrics are going to add a bit more context to it and a bit more meaning to it, but I felt like there's one thing about his voice is that it's so emotional, and it's like, you know, that like he's feeling something. Do you know what I mean? Like I personally feel that through his music and through his vocals, and the instrumental is just so beautiful. Like it's actually so beautiful. Like I would listen to this for sure. So I don't think these are all the lyrics, to be fair, that I found, because this song is a long song, and I don't think this is all the lyrics, so I'll check in a second, but I just wanted to have this ready before. But obviously it says, naturally it's simple about loving you, so there is never any turmoil, so we may love eternally. Your behaviour is spot on. It's a compliment to you. It's a beginning that truly stirs my spirit. You're so beautiful, I want to see you every day. Come lovingly for pleasure gently. I first saw you beneath the Cahiman tree. You were coming from a funeral looking seriously chic, and suddenly I stood in attachment emotionally and physically. So it's basically, I think that this is like, it felt like a storytelling, like he's telling the story of how they met. We'll live as friends, there will be no discouragement. Sue, my dear, I'll tell you this publicly. Okay, so it's like hidden feelings is basically what the song is about. When you leave your country for a place far away, life roughs you up, you feel like giving up, and you have to work hard in your country to achieve something in life. You can't just sit on the porch idling away. Society will take notice. And a woman will come to love you one day. You'll share the story of what you've been through. Oh, this is actually really beautiful. So yeah, it is basically about that. Like him leaving his country, but also thinking of this woman that he misses. And this woman that he has feelings for. Let's have a little look at if I can find a bit more, because I'm really intrigued by this. Like, I mean, I went on this one here, but this is all in French, and I don't understand French 100%. This one, Sentiment pour toi, is very simple. Yeah, we read this bit. Bonne nuit, aïe, girlie, chérie, je t'aime. Yeah, I love you. Quand tu es parti, quitter ton pays bien loin. When you went, la vie te malmène, tu veux te tuer. There's some things I can understand. But yeah, I think it's about, a lot of emotions of him leaving, having feelings for someone, but also like a lot of other stuff about like the world and like society, and it's just like a full song about feelings and obviously using a female and feelings for you as the kind of the soul of the song, but then it having other meanings and other feelings that are just wrapped in there that kind of like bring up certain feelings, like missing this person or having feelings for this person that is a friend, then has these other ways of bringing in these other feelings of longing with missing your home country, or these feelings of society and these kind of pressures. Like, it's very subtle, but it's all kind of bringing that all together. So it's so nice. It's a landmark track by the legendary Haitian singer and guitarist and composer. Wow. The song is slow, deeply emotional Haitian bolero mixed with traditional troubadour elements. Unlike fast-paced compass dance music, this genre focuses on raw acoustic guitar strings, light percussion, and storytelling. That's what I like about it. It's like there's a lot of storytelling in it, and it feels so. It's just really nice. It's really unique. Epic musical journey. It features extended melodic instrumental solos and spoken word styles that mimic a direct, open-hearted conversation with a lover. Yeah, that's what I love about it. It's very direct, and it's really, unique. Vulnerability and devotion. Translated from Haitian Creole, the title means My Feelings for You. The lyrics explore pure and filtered devotion, romantic longing, and the vulnerability of expressing deep love to someone. So, Combité Creole era, recorded with his iconic ensemble group Combité Creole. The track exemplifies the bittersweet melancholic sound that Milian mastered during the 70s and 80s. It often captures the pain of distance, heartbreak, or the socio-economic struggles of the Haitian diaspora, themes that were deeply personal to Milian before his passing in 2021. Oh, wow. That wasn't long ago, actually. Wow. Yeah, that's what I was saying. It kind of like, he uses, I feel like because that's so obviously rich to him, whenever he's talking about anything, it's like he has to talk about the struggles of Haitian society, and like with the socio-economic struggles. Like, it's nice how he always implements that, even if he's talking about love, about song, but because the way that he approaches it is very much like a storytelling, he has to talk about that because that's part of the story, you know what I mean? And that's part of probably the ongoing pain that a lot of Haitians felt in those days, or probably still feel, and like, so that's really interesting and really beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. I love this one a lot. Yeah, I love it. So thank you so much to Noah for requesting this. I'm very grateful. And to anybody that has a request, there is a link in the description to send any over. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and till next time, bye.